Okay, that's better. So it's the upright version. I just picked it up the other day, and looking forward to it. I previously had a Green Mountain, and though it was a fantastic smoker, I wanted the convenience of doing a little bit more capacity, and also wanted to have the ability to have multi-tray and just a little bit different. Anyway, and I still have my my natural gas grill, which I use anyway. So I didn't really do a whole bunch of grilling on the Green Mountain smoker, but anyway, it did a pretty good job. But yeah, so this is the unboxing, and we will get it set up today and hopefully use it this week. Wow, this thing is packed up really well. It took a bit to get it in the house earlier today. I just couldn't do it myself, so I had to get some help, and the thing is so darn heavy. We ended up having to bring it, just kind of slide it up the steps and bring it in here through the door, kind of end for end. But so that's why we're building it in the entryway. I didn't want to build it in the garage and then struggle getting it around the back of the house and onto the patio. So we're going to build it inside and just wheel it out the door. All right, so I got the cardboard corners removed. The big reveal. Oh shoot, another box. Just stay tuned. We'll cut this sucker open and see what's inside it. When all else fails, use a key. Okay, so I fought with that for a minute. Oh wow, looks like they got it packaged in here really well. Gotta hand it to Louisiana Grills. They, if nothing else, they know how to pack a box. Well, I think what they should probably have done is said this side up somewhere, and then open the packaging so that you could just slide the box out of the box. I don't know why they wouldn't have done that, but I mean, it's not a big deal or anything. But yeah, there's nothing on the box indicating that one way is up and one way is down. But what I'm going to do is fight with this and get it up vertically. That sounds funny, but yeah, I'm going to stand the box up and slide the smoker out of the boxes that it's in right now. Okay, so I've got the box standing up. You can see it's in the upright position. So what I'm going to do is slide the box out of the bigger box and start assembling this bad boy. All right, so this was in the big box, and it was just on top of this other one. But so yeah, obviously the instructions are here, so that's a good thing to include. I've got it out of the massive box, and I think what I'm going to do is just tear this one box up and reveal the smoker. I'll see if we can get in here. Oh man, that is really well fastened. 1 second, knife time. All right, well that was harder than it looked. Anyway, so I ripped this open, took the tape off the backside, and now we have got a smoker showing itself. Pardon the video. There we go. I'll get the styrofoam off and continue on. Okay, I think had I been smarter about this, I would have left the styrofoam sides on and then then laid it on its back and took them off. So yeah, I guess you know, hopefully you watch this, and when you do get one yourself, you keep it on its back or flip it back onto its back after you take it out of the box. Then you can access everything, put the bottom on. Otherwise, if you take the styrofoam off like I did, you are resting the weight of the smoker on the fan enclosure. Not that it's a big deal, but you know, it's just probably a lot easier to do it the other way, not like I've done it. All right, so there was a couple pieces of tape holding the door on. So just opening the door for the first time, we got more of this beautiful packing. We've got what appears to be the cover. Each of these comes with a cover. Some, I guess the handle for the door. Looks like a box full of probably the wheels and the chimney and all of that jazz. So I'm gonna take this stuff out and then I'll open up those boxes. Okay, so I have now emptied out the contents, and I've got one box that was like this when I opened up the front door. So hopefully there's nothing critical in there that can't get broken or squeezed or whatever. Second box says chimney assembly, cabinet door latch, meat probe, blah blah blah. This is a flame tamer. All right. The cover, like I mentioned before, support legs, wheels, and the last box says it contains, you know, the power cord, grease tray, heat shield, etc. So I'm gonna open these up, and I'll be back with you once I get going on the real assembly work here. Alright, so I got into the small boxes here, and I just can't say enough about how well this Louisiana Grill is packaged and well labeled. Like, look at this. I mean, there's no mistaking what you got here in front of you. So, and then the box of parts. It's all really, really well packaged. I think even somebody as mechanically incapable as I am can figure it out. But yeah, check it out. Everything is really, really well marked and labeled by size. No guessing. And we'll get back to you when the assembly happens.